This solar robot kit could be built into 12 different shapes of robots. It is composed of 190 PCs, including moving and connecting parts like gears, plates, tires, and shafts. Kids can easily disassemble them after building each robot. Clear instructions. Kids could complete the building by following the instruction manual step by step. We recommend parents and kids work together to finish the first robot building while enjoying the process of family collaboration. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Solar-powered eco-friendly toys. Excellent STEM robot for the next generation to begin to understand solar power. It can crawl, roll and float under direct sunlight, which allows children to understand the environmental concept of green technologies and renewable resources. Number 2. Educational gift for ages 7 to 12. By assembling and building different solar robots from simple level to complex, this STEM toy not only develops the mechanical skills of your little engineers but inspires their imagination and creativity. It is a great educational gift for children. Number 3. Satisfactory service. CIRO offers a wide range of toys and kits from STEM to crafts. We highly value customer feedback and provide a 90-day free return policy. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Will your toys lack accessories? Answer. You're no need to worry about its lack of accessories. Our packing is enclosed enough. If there is any damage, please contact us immediately. We promise to send a new toy as soon as possible. Question number 2. Does it require any tools in order to build, or is everything contained in the kit? Answer. No tools are needed, just need to build by hand, but we would advise the customer to prepare pliers by themselves, and it would be more convenient to cut the accessories. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.